Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and smash the like button. I will be tying a 21st century Peking caddis, family Brachycentridae of the order Trichoptera. The hook is a Arex FW 531, size 12. Create a thread base using 2 bobbins. The Brachycentridae family, known as the humblest casemaker caddisflies, features larvae that uniquely lack a pronounced first abdominal segment, which gives them a distinctive appearance. Unlike their more mobile counterparts, these larvae construct portable, four-sided cases that taper like chimneys, using bits of aquatic debris glued together with an adhesive secreted from their mouths. Take a strip of 2mm nymph wrap from Folding Mill in translucent natural. Cut one end at an angle and secure it in place a third of the way around the bend. Wrap the nymph wrap forward 3 to 4 times, creating the head and thoracic section. Secure in place with several wraps in between and several wraps just in front of the nymph skin. Advance your bobbin forward and whip finish and remove it. The unique construction of the Brachycentridae allows them to secure their cases with silken anchor lines, enabling them to forage for food while remaining safely secured in the current. Typically found in fast-flowing waters, they anchor themselves to rocks at the heads of the riffles where they thrive. To create the legs, we'll take a golden pheasant center tail and pluck a barb from each side. Take your rear bobbin and wrap into the first segment. Secure a leg in place on either side. I found a pair of tweezers helps immensely with this process. Typically, the forelegs are very short, and the middle and rear legs are much longer. Cut away the excess. To create the center legs, we'll pluck 2 more barbs from the golden pheasant center tail. Several snug wraps will secure them in place. And then you cut the excess and trim to your liking. Now onto the rear legs. We'll pluck a barb from either side of the golden pheasant center tail. Secure in place using several tight wraps. And you can see how those tweezers help with the process. Advance your bobbin forward and cut away the excess. Caddisfly hatches, which occur from April through October, begin with the prolific emergence of species like Brachycentridae, or the American granum, around late April, and this hatch coincides with the Hendrickson hatches. Typically, clusters of these remarkable larvae can often be observed clustered together on the same rock, showcasing their intriguing adaptations to life in swift waters. Whip finish and remove the bobbin. Apply a bobbin with brown thread and create a taper from front to back, the biggest being at the back. Secure in place 2 peacock strips. I use the hairline 8 to 10 inch length peacock quills and strip the barbules using a pencil eraser. Now take the ends of 2 1.5 millimeter zip ties. Super glue and secure in place. These zip ties help achieve the chimney-shaped case that we're looking for. After you get the base how you like it, take the quill on the far side and spiral it forward to just behind the eye, leaving spaces in between each wrap. As you can see, I did a sloppy job stripping my quill because you can still see some of the barbules. Secure in place Cut away the excess. Now take the other quill and spiral it forward, wrapping it in the spaces that you left behind. I found it's much easier to control your wraps when you wrap them one at a time. Secure in place. Usually a few wraps behind and a few wraps in front is all you need. Cut away the excess. Whip finish and remove the bobbin. Now for the finishing touches. I usually use a black marker or a dark brown marker for the head. And a lime green marker for the thoracic area. You can also use Caddis green nymph skin. And to create the sclerotized dorsum, we'll use a dark brown marker. And to create some sheen and give more durability, I use the ultra thin Solaris flex resin and cover the entire case. Brachycentridae is one of my favorite case caddises. I marvel at how each case looks exactly identical. I typically fish these under an indicator or on a drop shot rig. Use the same ultra thin flex resin for the head and thorax. This will also add durability to the legs. Cure. And this step doesn't need to be done, but I like the effect that it gives the legs. Heat a pair of tweezers with a lighter and give them a little extra bend at the tips. There you have it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.